All right, today's progress. Got another sheet up, got the 2 windows in, and tomorrow maybe I will put up the last sheet. Over there I want to put another window, like a high window, because that's a hallway. So you can just see out the window and let some light in as you walk by. Yeah, it's going good. Of course, I put a screw in the electric here today. That was fun. Had to fix that. I decided not to strip the old skirting or the metal. So far underneath this panel, wow, that's solid. I put R13 insulation behind it. R15, R13, whatever it is. Anyways, 2x4 insulation is squished in there. I'm debating if I want to squish that in there or if I want to just leave the space a void. So it'll have an air pocket of its own. But I'm not feeling like I want to tear all this metal off and all of the skirting if I don't have to. Still feeling the job out. I'm just a little bit into it. I started in the back. And yeah, I mean, if this works, I don't know. Insulation, no insulation. The foam board insulation is ridiculously expensive. Each board is like $40. I paid like $39 for this. I'm going to buy a foam board for $40. That's crazy. I may just squish the 2x4 insulation behind there. This at least finish the back of the house because the sun really blazes on this. And primarily I'm here in the summer, so yeah, do the insulation in the back. And maybe the rest of the place I'll just go over the metal and leave the air pocket. All right, there's the progress.